Alright, welcome back YouTubers. Let's just get right into it. Now we got our brand new motor for our window today, and here it is. And we're ready to go ahead and stick this on. Now I've determined that this old motor that's in here, it has a short somewhere up in the top. If I hit it, it'll work, then a minute it won't work. So we're just going to go ahead and replace this whole unit. So I've got some of the bolts already taken out. I've got 3 of them. There's 3 of them in the back, and they are these little guys here, and we have to use a socket to get it in there into the back, and a little 8mm. And what you do, you got to get your hand back behind here. There's one right here, and there's 2, one that goes there and one right there. So I've got these 2 out. You got to stick your hand back in there with a small socket like this right here. And once you get this behind here, it's pretty easy to take out. So I've just got 1 more here to take out, and I think I can go ahead and try to get this one this way out. The camera in one hand and tool in the other. So let's see if I can get this out. Yep, there we go. Just about got it. So apologize just for a second. I'm going to have to set the camera down. Hang on. Alright, so out this one comes. Our last one, and you can see how that motor just kind of hangs down there. And what we want to do now, you got to unhook the wire and just work this loose. And there is our old motor. So that's really nice. You can change these motors and these doors. You don't have to go in here and fiddle around with all this. Now here is our new one. We got brand new screws with it, and I only paid $20 for it. Sometimes the plugs are on this side, sometimes they put them on this side. It really depends on the manufacturer. So all we got to do now is go ahead and stick this in, bolt this back in here, and we'll just about be done. And I went on ahead and hooked this up a minute ago. Let's go ahead and hook it up, and I'll show you how it runs real quick. And I'll grab my switch here, and I'll hit the button. And you can see that one works really good. So we'll go ahead and get this in here before it rains anyway. And I'll be able to get my window up and down like a normal vehicle. Alright, so we got our last bolt tight. Now you got to be careful, there are some sharp edges here. But you can work your hand up here, down behind there, and up from the bottom to get these other 2 bolts. So all we got to do now is go ahead and plug this in. Actually, I think this motor, I like that better. I don't know why the plug was on the other side, but I think that's the way it's supposed to go. So somebody may have swapped this motor around of another side of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and try this out now, see what we get. Alright everyone, I had to step away for a few minutes, and during that time the sun came back out, but it's all together, and I got it running, and you can see it goes up and down really good now. Nice. So it looks like it's going to work out pretty good. Now if you still put a motor in here and it still sticks and doesn't want to go up and down very well, like if it goes all the way down and won't come back up, then you may have to start looking at your module here. These do go bad. I don't know why. I've seen a lot of people pull their hair out, and it turns out it's just a bad, sticky, bad module, just so you know. But other than that, it's all together. I'm very happy about that. So I'll keep an eye on that, and if it gives me any troubles, I'll give updates down the road. But other than that, it seems to be okay. And like I said, if you replace that motor, definitely check this module. And it works pretty good from the driver's side too, so I don't have any issues right now with it. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. It's the end of the video. Thanks for subscribing and liking all that. And I can't believe I have over 15,000 subscribers now, so it's kind of nice. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later.